Here we are at Duman Waterfall. It's within these two houses. The baby is struggling a little bit. I feel like something is burning, right?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much it, guys. It is nothing to be very much impressed with. It's a beautiful place, but there are much nicer ones. Well, anyhow, I'm still gonna do some drone footage here as well. Well, guys, that's it. It's not a bad place, but it's nothing special either. I mean, it's a small waterfall with beautiful cliff above it. I mean, if you're already in Livno city, then yeah, it is okay to come here, stop by, you know, have a visit. It won't take you much time. It's just next to the road. You can literally park behind this house and then walk. Less than a minute to walk. So yeah, not too bad, but not great either. So you can swim. Some of these guys are swimming down there. I didn't. Don't have time. So our next stop is the wild horses. We're gonna head there and let's see. Hopefully we find some. So thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. The next week we're gonna post hopefully the wild horses. I'm not sure if you're gonna find them. According to some people, sometimes you see them, sometimes you don't. And I don't have 4x4 vehicle, so I can't drive off terrain, you know, to look after them. So yeah, thank you very much.